Hello guys and welcome to today's tropical update, and in this update we're going to be taking a look at two tropical cyclones that are in the Southwest Indian Ocean and the Southwest Pacific. But right now we're going to be taking a look at what is now Tropical Depression Cheneso, and this is located at 16.9 south, 46.1 east. Maximum sustained winds are at 25 knots or 30 miles per hour, and it has 1,004 millibars. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, it's been in land for a while, so it's not going to look so hot. But some of the models are suggesting that this gets back into the Mozambique Channel and tries to reorganize itself in the next 3 to 5 days, which we'll take a look at some of the models here very shortly. But here we are. This is a Joint Typhoon Warning Center cone, and this was issued actually yesterday. So they haven't been really keeping track of this for the last almost day and a half, just about. So they do mention that it could regenerate into something, but that's down the line. So here we are. We are looking at the GFS. This was initialized at 12Z today, and as you can see, we got the low pressure system, or what is Cheneso, in the middle of the Madagascar island region, and it looks like it's 1,005 millibars, and as you can see, it just kind of just meanders for the next like 48 hours pretty much, and then once it gets out into the open waters, well, it's not open waters, but it's far enough out into the oceans to tap in to that warm supply that we could start to get a little bit of strengthening as we head out through time, and it just sits there. Just like you got to feel bad for the people of Madagascar that are just gonna continue to see copious amounts of flooding and rain through the next God knows how long. We're going way past 120 now, but you guys saw how long the rains and stuff stay in the island of Madagascar. Take a look at the precipitation totals here. I'm sure we're still 500 millimeters in some places. Yeah, it's the same case as it was yesterday. 24 plus inches of rain in some of these locations. It's like the flooding already is just tremendous over there, I'm pretty sure. But, sadly, it's just going to have to be, Mother Nature's got to have to run its course. And I just hope that the people that are being affected by these floods are somewhere in a safe spot away from the flooding. All right, so here is the icon. This was also initialized at 12Z today, and it's pretty much the same as the GFS. It has the low pressure system of Cheneso deeply embedded in Madagascar, and we're going to go out through time. And, thing to note, Icona is the one model I do believe that does the most robust restrengthening of this system, because it finds itself in a spot that is far enough into the ocean to really tap into those 30 degrees Celsius waters. Yeah, and see, it's a weird track. It just meanders, and then it turns to the northwest, and then just look at that. Now, is the icon overcooking this? Probably. We're just gonna have to wait and see how long it wants to stay out over water for, and you know, if Madagascar is gonna have to go through another Category 1 or Category 2, along with more flooding, well, that's not going to be very good for the people over in Madagascar. So let's take a look at the total precipitations here, and just like the GFS, some people are looking at 500 millimeters of rain here, and just how much more can these people take of this rain, this relentless rain that is probably coming down right now as we speak. It's not a good thing for the people of Madagascar. Now you guys know me. I don't hype things up. I keep it real with you guys. This is not hype. This is actually going on right now. So, please just, hunker down and be safe, please. All right, so here is the European. This was initialized at 12Z today, and it shows the same as the GFS and Icon, that this is firmly in Madagascar. So we're going to go on, and it pretty much takes the same approach as the GFS. It just keeps it near land, but enough to re-strengthen it a little bit, probably due to land friction, warm 30 degrees C water temperatures of the Mozambique Channel. And it gets down to as low as 993 millibars. So that's a pretty decent tropical storm again, if this comes to fruition. So, what is the Euro showing us about the rainfall totals here? To no surprise whatsoever, 500 millimeters of rain. That is 21, 24 plus inches of rain. You're looking at an additional 2 feet in some locations. I cannot stress enough how important it is to stay on high ground in some of these locations. So, you know what? There's something. What's the winds looking like for this thing? It's looking pretty weak in the wind department. It might be enough for a tropical. Oh, there's some greens. So yeah, there is some potential for this to re-strengthen into a tropical storm as we head out. All right, so we also got another tropical cyclone. This one is in the South Pac, and this is tropical cyclone 10P. It's not yet named, and I don't think it's ever going to get named. And this is located at 21.2 south, 161.8 east. Measure saying winds are at 35 knots or 40 miles per hour. Minimal central pressure is at 999 millibars. So, since we got this bad boy right here, we can take a look at the infrared satellite here. It's a hot mess. It's really a hot mess. There's just like the circulation is open, but there is a trough. There's a trough to this that is connected, and until that gets connected, this is definitely not a tropical cyclone. Just just a mess of showers and thunderstorms. There's nothing really too organized about this, and yeah, New Caledonia is probably going to pick up an inch or two from this, but it's not going to be something that you guys cannot handle or that you guys haven't been through before. So with this mess, let's take a look at the models and see if there's any redemption for this system. My answer is probably no, but we're going to take a look. So GFS 12Z, this is our system right here, this 996 millibars, and since there's no use looking at the wind shear and stuff because there's really just no future for this. This is pretty much peak right here in 18 hours, 995 millibars, and after that it kind of just poofs out of existence by hour 94. Like I said, GFS not showing much of a future for the system. What about the icon? What does the icon show us? This is 996 millibars, and that's pretty much peak. As in, it pretty much goes poof at 96 too. So icon is on the same boat as the GFS. What about the European? Got a feeling it's going to be the same thing. Here we go, 995 millibars. It's the most bullish of the models here, and it's pretty much on a weakening trend probably as we speak, kind of meandering, and by hour 96 it's pretty much gone, just like GFS and the icon. All right, so with that being said, that's going to be today's tropical update. This is going to be, as long as there is a tropical system in any basin, I'm going to try to do these daily uploads along with the shorts. The shorts are going to be very important going forward too. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and my shorts. Um, People in Madagascar, here is a pray for you to be safe from the flame. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. I might have another short out tonight. So, peace out.